In order to update your iPhone to the newest OS, which is the 26.6.1, where there were some important security fixes, what you want to do first is open up the Settings app by swiping down and searching for Settings. And then once you're here, go to General and then go to About. This will let you know what version of the OS you're running. It'll be iOS 26.5. something, or maybe you're even running an operating system older than that. What you want to do is go back here under General Settings and then go to Software Update, which is the middle option there towards the top. Swipe down if you don't see the newest update. You may have to actually incrementally update to other older versions to get to this newest version. You want to make sure that you see the one that says iOS 26.6.1. You will have a button there that says either update now or update tonight. A couple of things, make sure you've backed up your device if you haven't done so. I have a video showing you how. And make sure your phone is plugged into a power source just to make sure it doesn't shut down midway through and end up causing you trouble later. Once you're ready, tap either update now or update tonight. Make sure you leave it plugged in, let it go through all the processes, it'll reboot, and when you're ready, you should be able to come back, go to General Settings, About, and you should see 26.6.1 or whatever the version that you saw here, which is the security fixes for your iPhone. I would recommend these little incremental updates that you see towards the end of a life cycle of an OS because these are fixes that are security related. Anytime they say that, it's probably fairly important that you update your device. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.